Absolutely. Currently, New Haven's Agricultural Experiment Station tests about 6,000 ticks a year. Their plan is to boost that testing capacity. Mild winters and an increase in the deer population have contributed to an increase in ticks and tick-borne diseases. How many ticks can you test in a day?
I've done maybe up to 80 in a day.
Noel Khalil, a research technician at the Agricultural Experiment Station in New Haven, showed Fox 61 how the ticks get tested.
We're going to receive our ticks in our little basket here. We look at each one under the microscope.
They identify the tick's species, size, and life stage. This tick was latched onto a person for a week before they noticed it. The tick gets put into a test tube with a metal BB.
We're going to put it into a machine and it shakes it vigorously for about 5 minutes.
The tick is crushed, mixed with a liquid that helps extract material from cells. DNA is then sequenced or replicated millions of times over to look for the presence of a disease.
These days, 1 in 2 ticks are infected with some sort of disease-causing agent in Connecticut.
Since 2020, scientists have discovered the Lone Star, Gulf Coast, and Asian longhorn ticks, not native to the state, have expanded their habitats into Connecticut, which has led to a jump in Lyme disease, Powassan virus, and a meteoric 338% increase in babesiosis.
Litchfield, Windham, and Middlesex, we are seeing greater increase in the prevalence of infection with babesiosis and Powassan virus.
Which is why the $200,000 in funding Senator Richard Blumenthal announced Friday comes at such a needed time.
This problem is one that ought to be at the top of public health concerns. Preventing and diagnosing this disease early will pay dividends.
So in addition to this local funding, Senator Blumenthal also announced millions more are going for the CDC and the Department of Defense. It's also worth noting here that a Lyme disease vaccine is in late-stage development and could be ready very soon. While babesiosis, well, that's becoming so common in Connecticut that the CDC is actually recommending people get screened for that disease before they donate blood. In the studio, Matt Karen, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.